friends, this is Sandra Brown, Life Past 80. So Bill and I went to church today. We came home, we thought it's rainy, and we thought maybe we'd just shoot a little video. This hallway was just blank walls, and I had all these paintings and they were getting ruined just sitting out in the garage. So I thought, why not bring them in the house? So we just made kind of a gallery here, so I thought maybe you'd like to see them. Okay? Okay, we'll go with this one first. I've always liked this painting. I don't know who the original artist was, but I just seem to notice I'm always painting a lot of rainy stuff, but I just love the reflections for rain, and just the whole, something about it just always captured me. Just love painting it. And this was done in 2015. You could do a close-up if you want, honey. I'll do it. The kind of faceless peoples, because that's the way this particular artist did. And I'd love to give him credit, but I just don't remember. It's been so long ago.
I think this was New York City, right?
Yeah, it looked like New York City, yeah, because of the building there. Okay, we'll move down here, and here's another rainy painting as usual. But this one, I was giving art classes, and I had painted this. And I was trying to do just a simple painting so I could teach it. But that pandemic hit, and I didn't get to go on with my classes. And down below is one, I don't have the date on this one, but I've always liked this painting, and honestly, the original is not mine, and I have no idea who it was or where I found this at. I was just in a painting frenzy, and anything I seen, I would paint. But if I can find out who it was, I'll be glad to give them credit on that one. And here's a one I've had for quite a while. This is Gary Jenkins, and he and his wife are wonderful artists and teachers. I think Gary's probably, they're in their 70s. They might be getting close to 80 now, I'm not sure. But they're both good art instructors. And I just watched him, I was watching him online, I think on YouTube or something, watching. That's how I painted that one. Okay. And moving. Bill's going to show you all of it, yeah. And moving down the line here. Both of these paintings were from Nancy Medina. And this one on the bottom, I really like, if you do a real close-up maybe of the colors in here, and anybody who's interested in painting. I think what I learned from her is the transparent color she used, that you will see in the inner parts of it, like it's just glowing from inside. And this one above, and Nancy takes a long time when she's painting, and I'm just like doing things too fast. So I did everything. And at the end, I got off, and I took a knife and just made the outer parts. But you're probably more patient than I am. But she's a very good teacher. You get a lot of good tips from her. This was in 2015. This was, I painted this online again. I believe it was Gary Jenkins' wife, Kathleen, I think her name is. Quite a while back, I can't remember. But I love the different colors and the way she does the branches and everything. It's probably not as good as hers, but I did my best. And don't keep it there. Honey, stop it. He's being ornery today. And this is an original of mine. I just love the garden gates and the lavender flowers and trees and soft background. You could do a close-up on it if you want to. And that is in oils. I did that in oils. Almost all my paintings are in oils. Okay, we can go down a little further. What do I have here next? Oh, I'm going to put it in the description as soon as I find it, but the name of the artist, and I took a course with him. It was on DVDs. As soon as I find the DVD, I'll put it up. But he did a lot of still lifes, and he was easy to follow. And I will put that. But there was several different DVDs you would get. It was not too expensive either. So, but do a close up of the copper kettle. They might be interested in that. Okay. I wasn't satisfied with, that was before I learned not to put pure white on. I always mix white with a little bit of color, either blue, yellow, or pink, but it's never pure white. White is not a color at all. And I think I put too much white in it. This is an original I did of hollyhocks. And one thing I've learned by a few little online courses and stuff is like reflecting your colors. So you have the salmon color hollyhocks. It's reflected in the curtains. It's reflected in the wall. It's reflected in the grass. But anytime you add a color, you have to, if I add a color to this, I have to show it somewhere else. So there's blue in here. The blue has to be reflected somewhere, everywhere else. Just a little bit, because in real life, colors reflect and they bounce off of each other. It just makes it more realistic and more alive. And coming up to the last one, past Bill's office. Okay, this next one is one where I was painting with Johannes Bluthaus, 2017. And it just gives me a good memory when I look at this because, well, here I go with the rain again. But he was talking about it because after you paint in his class, then you could put in paintings that you did. Well, I made this painting up. And his reaction was so good. I mean, telling me what a great job I did and how did you think of that? And I just, give people compliments. How it encourages me, because it still encourages my heart. Every time I look at this painting, I think of that. And it was something to do about the negative space, like in between this guy's pants and the negative spaces, how it comes in and out. I don't know, but he thought it was great. And he told me that I shouldn't paint just for a hobby, that I should take it serious. But now I've let like 2.5 years go by, and I haven't been painting. Can you do a close-up, baby? Like in here, this is where negative spaces he's talking about in here. But I'm going to get back to it because, as I said before, Bill has a book he's finishing up. It is finished. We just got to do the cover and things, and I'm going to paint the cover for him. So that maybe that'll get me back into doing a little more painting. And oh, Millie got a haircut. Would you like to see that? Let's do this lie down here. Here, Millie, show 'em, honey. My boots, yeah. You there? She looks so much better. Look at Millie. Look at Mr. Bill. Come here, girl. And also, how do you like my boots? I'm in Tennessee now. See? So when you're in Tennessee, you gotta have boots. They're a little big on me, but that's good because they're comfortable. But they didn't have them in my size, just a little bit too big. But anyways, I like them a lot. And I'll put a link on for it in case you're interested. Okay, just wanted to ask you to subscribe and give me a like because I'd appreciate it. And I just want to say a little prayer for you. And Lord, I just pray for everyone who's watching this channel. Lord, I just pray a blessing on them. Bless them financially, bless their health, bless their families. And Lord, just help them to draw close to you and let them know how much you love them. Okay, you guys, love you. See you next time. This was not very long, but I'm going to do another one soon. Tell them goodbye, Millie. Bye-bye.